another video. I'm glad you're back. Today we're going to be making a white rice. This is a similar recipe to the video that I already have up in the channel, which is the Mexican style rice or Spanish rice. But this one is going to be on a white version. The other one was on a red sauce. This one's going to be on a white sauce. For the ingredients, you're going to be needing 1.5 cups of rice. I'm using jasmine rice. You can use any other type of rice that you want. 1 garlic clove and a piece of onion. 3 cups of water or chicken broth. I'm using chicken broth right now. 1 cup of frozen vegetables, but you can also use canned vegetables or fresh vegetables. 2 tablespoons of chicken flavored bouillon, or you can also use salt. I'm using chicken broth, meaning that it already has salt in it. But if you're using water, you might want to use a little bit more salt, but you can always taste before adding more salt or chicken flavored bouillon. In a blender, we're going to be adding the onion and the garlic, the chicken flavored bouillon, and half of the 3 cups of chicken broth. We're gonna have this ready before we start mixing our rice, just because we want to be ready and don't let our rice burn while doing this. Okay, so we have our sauce all blended up. Now we're gonna start cooking the rice. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil into a pan. Once it starts heating up, we're gonna add the rice. And then we're gonna move it. You will know your rice is ready for the sauce whenever your rice starts to sound like gravel moving around. That's when you're gonna add your sauce. It also is gonna change a little bit of the color, and I'm gonna show you that process as well. As you can see, our rice is now ready. The rice has already changed color, and some of the rice already started to looking brown. So we're gonna add the sauce at this time. Make sure you have your lid right next to you. We're gonna add the rest of the water or the chicken flavored bouillon, whichever one you're using, and then we're gonna mix. At this time, you also want to add your frozen vegetables or your canned vegetables. We're going to cover this and put this on medium to low heat. We're going to cook it for about 10 minutes. We're not going to open the lid after we have already closed it, and we're going to turn down the heat. That way your rice is going to absorb all the water and it's going to cook evenly. Okay, so our rice has been cooking for about 10 minutes. We're going to check. All the water has already been absorbed for the rice. As we can look in the middle, there's no more water. Now with the fork, you're gonna move it gently around. Don't move it too much. And now this rice is ready. We're gonna turn off the heat. We can let this sit aside for about 5-10 minutes just for all the water to completely absorb and to cool down for a little bit before we start serving it. But this rice is already done. Thank you guys for watching this week's video. Don't forget to comment down below what other recipes you will want me to make next. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Share with your friends if you loved it. Subscribe to our channel to be part of our family. Follow me on my Instagram page and share any photos of the recipes that I have taught you how to make. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you next week. Bye!